Home Remedies presents. If you have oily skin, then this mask is for you. Oily skin is very common and sometimes easy to eliminate. Unfortunately, some have more problems with it than others. If you are prone to oily skin, then no need to worry. This remedy I have been using as well, and the good news is that you can do this without having to spend a fortune at the beauty counter. Let's see how to make it. Ingredients: lemon juice 2 to 4 drops, egg white 1. Method: this mask is very easy to make and use. Add 1 egg white and mix until it will appear white and foamy, and mix in 2 to 4 drops of lemon juice. Wash your face with warm water. Apply the mask to the skin using a facial brush or cotton pad. Leave it on the skin for 15 minutes. You will know when it is finished because it will become a bit hard and completely dry. Just rinse with warm water and then use a moisturizer that is designed for oily skin. Use it 1 to 2 times per week. About the ingredients. Egg white benefits for oily skin are numerous. The main nutritional component of egg white is protein. Protein helps to tighten the skin and shrink large pores. They are high in collagen and vitamin A, due to which a remedy containing egg whites will help you get rid of problems like acne, large pores, and rashes. Lemon juice instantly brightens your complexion. Its citric acid also works as an astringent, helping to tone and control oily skin. Egg whites and lemon juice. The mixture works to reduce the oil on your skin. Egg whites draw out the oils from your pores, and lemon juice acts as a natural bleaching agent. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.